Greetings, citizens of the world. We are Anonymous. Many raise the question, what is Anonymous? How do I join? What can I do to help Anonymous? The answer to the question of what, or who Anonymous is no further than the reflection you see in the mirror. We are all Anonymous. As I type this message now, I am Anonymous. I see all of you in the grocery store. I see you putting my mail in my mailbox. I see you walking your dogs or feeding your children in the park. As well as what these eyes see, your eyes see me. We are everywhere and we are everyone. There is no escaping us. When there is a call to action for all Anonymous members, this call is to you. You do not sign up for Anonymous. You are not accepted in. You just are. If you want to help Anonymous, all you are doing is helping yourself. So you want to be Anonymous? Well, because of the fact that you do, you already are. So you want to take part in an anonymous action. Well, join a protest, learn to hack, share information about the corrupted government with your friends on social networks, at work, at school, or through text. Whatever you can do to get the word out is doing your part as Anonymous. We are the broken and the poor. We are the ones that have had enough and will no longer take it anymore. We are your brothers, your sisters, your mothers, your fathers, and your children. We seek to bring upon a better world for all mankind. A world of peace and trust within the world. We seek to stop the wars that are brought upon by our government, used only to profit for their own needs. You and I are just alike. We share the same tears and the same color of blood runs through our bodies. We are joined as one through our own collective conscious. Now the government sees that. For years they have hidden the truth from us and treated us as if we are nothing but slaves to them. Now we have the internet and they can no longer lie to us about what other people in other countries are doing to us. We talk to one another on our own and get the real facts. And the fact is, the government is nothing more than an evil entity looking to control all of our every moves. They label us terrorist. But the question is, who do we terrorize? They fear us as they should have years ago. Have no fear, my brothers and sisters. People should not fear their governments. Governments should fear their people. Now is the time. It is now time to stand up and take action. It is time to see the facts. We are Anonymous. We do not forgive. We do not forget. World governments, you should have expected us.